Alright, good morning. We are here and we're going to go see the boat, which is just around the corner. The agriculture people are going to check to see if any seeds or other biological contaminants made it in with the boat. So that's what's going to happen. Oh. Wow. It is big. It's big. I'm good. Ooh. Yeah, I feel like a paint's a good option. Oh my. Ooh, it's big. It's big. I can do this. It's not that small. Alright. This is the moment I've been most scared about, actually. The part where I realize that this is really small and I have to live in it for months. So much stuff. I have to come up with a good netting solution. Alright. Ooh, these mattresses are actually quite good. I was not expecting that.